Hello and welcome to this video. Today, friends, I will share with you how to use Lidl app. As you can see here, how to use the store online in your apps. So, friends, first step you need to do, download Lidl Plus app. This is the app. Download and set up your accounts. After download this app, log in your account with your own information. So, friends, you should be log in your accounts. Click on this one, this option. This is for login. So friends, after logging your accounts with your own details, you have this a lot of section here. You can buy, you can get deals. For example, you want to log in your accounts here, you can log in with your phone, just click phone number here. After that, you can get your deals. For example, you want to purchase something like this one, just click the item you want to buy and then choose this one on your choose your delivery option. Go to payment section. When you go to payment section, you should be write your all order guests from here. After that, set up your accounts and then you can order and purchase. You can browse all the features and all the deals. If I go back, you can get to 50% discounts. You can buy this something, for example. Just click the item and then go to your delivery option from here. After that, click on the carts, add the item you want to buy, choose the item, and then go to this section. So friends, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you.